In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BlueStacks on your laptop or PC, running Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you've ever wanted to use Android apps on your computer, BlueStacks is a popular choice that can help you do just that. Let's dive into the simple steps to get BlueStacks up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Google Chrome is a common choice, but any browser will work just fine. Once you have your browser open, navigate to Google and type in BlueStacks in the search bar. It's a quick way to find the official website where you will download the software. Now, from the search results, look for the official BlueStacks website link. It's important to ensure you're visiting the official site to avoid any potential malware or untrustworthy downloads. Once you find the official BlueStacks site link, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the BlueStacks homepage, you'll see a prominent Download BlueStacks button. This part is straightforward. Simply click on this download button. The process will initiate the download of the BlueStacks installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so be patient. When the download is complete, you'll want to navigate to your File Explorer, which you can do by searching for it on your taskbar or by simply clicking on the folder icon. From here, head to your Downloads folder, or whichever folder you specified for downloads. Here, you should find the BlueStacks .exe file. A quick note, if you're having trouble finding it, you can often find your recent downloads at the bottom of your browser window. Now, click on the BlueStacks .exe file, and your computer will prompt you with a security warning message or user account control window. It's perfectly fine. Just click Run to start the installation process. Windows may pop up a window asking for permission to make changes to your system, and you'll need to allow this to proceed. Once the BlueStacks installer opens, you'll see an Install button along with a license agreement. Be sure to read through it, and if you agree, click I agree to initiate the installation. The installer will take it from here, and you'll see the progress displayed on your screen. This should only take a few moments, depending on your system's speed. And that's it. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should launch automatically, allowing you to start exploring and downloading your favorite Android apps right from your computer. This makes it incredibly easy to enjoy the best parts of the Android experience on a larger screen. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.